Alright, so we got our toilet seat. Now, people would think it's confusing, and this is complex. It's so simple, it's so easy to put in a new toilet. It's not rocket science, there's a few steps. It does come with instructions, and they're very, very, very well done and easy to understand. Not too overwhelming. And the nice thing is a lot of the toilets are the same. I think all of them actually, for the most part, with the exception of like a handful of different things, but depending on brand, but otherwise they're all pretty well identical. Let's go this or whatever this. Can't remember how that's gonna, yeah, probably that way. Like that. Like that. Alright. Then we pop these suckers out. And then, actually what we could do is we can do this. Slap these on here. Just like that. Just like that. Nice, easy. Nice and tight, nice and easy. Pop these out. This is where it's nice to have a, you know, flathead screwdriver. Pop those suckers in. Go from the bottom here. Nice and hand tightened. There we go. Yeah. I try not to go too crazy with things because I do understand when things are plastic, it's easier for them to break and crack and whatnot. So try to hand tighten everything with my meat paws, and then I do just to say a half or quarter turn, whatever's required of, like using a tool on the plastic like a flathead or whatever. All right. So as much as we can get it, it's almost there. It's there. Get this out. Flathead screwdriver, boom. There we go. It's on. Boom.